Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Nano Mini Polisher is probably one of the most versatile and convenient detailing tools on the market, perfect for tackling everything from minor scratches and swirl marks on your car to polishing jewelry and other delicate items at home. Its compact size and powerful performance make it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who want to achieve a showroom shine without breaking the bank or spending hours on tedious work. Number 5. Chemical Guy's TORQX Polisher Kit. This kit has everything for paint polishing, scratch removal, and restoring your car's shine. It's perfect for all vehicles and detailing jobs, big or small. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this dual-action polisher is lightweight, easy to use, and powerful enough for any detailing task. It's versatile and efficient. With a 700-watt motor and 8mm orbital throw, it delivers strong, consistent results. The ergonomic design minimizes fatigue, even during long jobs. It's built to last with durable materials and intuitive controls. Use it on paint, clear coats, metal, glass, it handles it all with ease. Surprise a car enthusiast with this complete detailing system. It includes powerful tools, premium pads, and top-tier compounds to keep any vehicle looking its best. What we like. This kit has everything you need to start polishing. It's powerful enough for professional use but easy enough for beginners. If you're looking for a complete solution to get started in car detailing, this is the one for you. What people say. The TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit has been a game-changer in our car detailing routine. Its dual-action motion effectively removes swirls, scratches, and other imperfections from the car's paint, leaving behind a smooth, glossy finish. The variable speed settings allow for precise control, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. The Chemical Guy's BUF 503X TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit offers a solid set of tools and products for car detailing. The polisher itself is easy to use, with a comfortable grip and decent power for most tasks. The included pads, polishes, and compounds work well for the most part, and the 8mm orbit size is good for achieving a smooth finish. This is a great polisher buffer for anyone. It is one of the few products where it is extremely user-friendly. This polisher buffer lets a weekend warrior have the ability to look like a professional. The unit itself is built very well. It is a very sturdy and well-balanced machine. Number 4. SPTA Mini Polisher. This is the SPTA Mini Polisher, a powerful tool for detailing your car. It comes with everything you need to get started, including various polishing pads and an extension shaft. You'll receive the mini polisher itself, a variety of polishing and wool pads to tackle different tasks, and an extension shaft for hard-to-reach areas. We also provide excellent customer service. It's perfect for waxing, polishing, and sealing glazes on all types of paint. It easily cleans and enhances the shine of your car's finish. The included pads are made of high-quality wool and sponge materials. They're bendable, washable, and reusable, offering incredible value and longevity. Changing pads is a breeze thanks to the adhesive backing. You can switch between pads in seconds to match the job at hand. It efficiently removes oxidation and scratches, leaving your car with a showroom shine. It works with both pneumatic and electric polishing machines. What we like. It comes with a wide variety of pads to handle any polishing job. The different sizes and shapes make it perfect for various detailing tasks. If you need a budget-friendly option with lots of accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. It allowed me to quickly switch between the smaller 3-in-1 pads and keep the 6 on the DA. I was pleasantly surprised at the operation of this polisher and the included accessories. It wasn't too loud and it felt smooth as it rotated, even with one of the extensions. I used a few of the included softer foam pads with no issues and the end result came out perfectly. I was able to fully remove all sanding marks with a perfect Class A gloss and no holograms. Lot of accessories to get started polishing, plenty of torque, multiple speed options. Number 3. SPTA Cordless Mini Car Polisher. This lightweight polisher is perfect for detailing your car. It's small enough to reach tight spots, and powerful enough to remove scratches and swirls. Its compact size and cordless design give you the freedom to polish anywhere. Say goodbye to extension cords and hello to effortless detailing. With its 1-inch backing plate, it easily polishes around emblems and body lines. Achieve a flawless finish with ease. It boasts a powerful 80W battery providing up to an hour of use on a single charge. A second battery is included for uninterrupted polishing. It features a dual-action rotation for hologram-free polishing and a variable speed controller for customized results. A rotary attachment is also available for heavier cuts. This tool makes paint correction a breeze. It's ideal for tackling those hard-to-reach areas and achieving a professional-looking finish. What we like. This cordless polisher gives you the freedom to polish anywhere. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for smaller areas and hard-to-reach spots. If you value mobility and ease of use, this polisher is for you. What people say. Lots of accessories as well. 2 batteries that last long along with charger. I paint corrected my motorcycle and did an amazing job. The tool came with a ton of buffing pads and a really nice case to keep it all tucked away nice and safe in. The Velcro is very sticky and holds onto the pad very well. It's perfect for the hideous small jobs that regular-sized polishers are too big for. Number 2. Clean Garage Flex PXE80 Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate in detailing convenience. This kit has everything you need for a professional-grade polish. This cordless polisher is lightweight and powerful, making it easy to use on any surface. It's perfect for both small and large detailing jobs. It comes with a variety of adapters, including rotary, orbital 3mm, and orbital 12mm. This ensures compatibility with various detailing pads and applications. You'll receive 1 sticky backing plate, 1 Velcro backing plate, and 1 3 Velcro backing plate. This gives you the flexibility to tackle any detailing task. 2 2.5Ah batteries provide ample power for extended use. The included charger ensures you're always ready to go. Everything is neatly stored in a convenient carrying bag. Plus, it includes a clean garage decal kit to personalize your detailing setup. What we like. This polisher comes with 2 batteries for extended use. It's a nano polisher, perfect for precision work. If you need a powerful and versatile tool for various detailing tasks, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Flex PXE80 is great for quick efficient work. It is small and maneuverable. It is powerful enough to get the job done. The PXE80 works great with microfiber and short pile wool pads. It has never let me down in 2 years of use. It's not for buffing entire vehicles, but this is for more contoured areas that a larger buffer can't reach. It also is great for corrections nibbing dirt from freshly painted surfaces. Number 1. Clean Garage Flex PXE80 Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate in car detailing with this comprehensive kit. It's got everything you need for a professional-grade polish. Let's take a closer look. Inside, you'll find a powerful cordless polisher, along with a variety of accessories. It comes with 3 adapters and 3 backing plates, ensuring compatibility with different polishing pads. This gives you the flexibility to tackle any detailing task. 2 long-lasting batteries and a fast charger mean you can polish for extended periods without interruption. No more worrying about running out of power mid-job. This kit includes a generous selection of polishing pads, Rupee's yellow polishing pads, Meguiar's cutting pads, and even a bottle of Sonak's Perfect Finish polish. Everything is ready to go. The included bag keeps everything organized and easy to transport. Take your detailing skills on the go. What we like. This kit includes 10 different pads for various polishing needs. It's a nano polisher, great for precision. If you want a complete kit with multiple pads and a high-quality polisher, this is the one to get. What people say. Quick change heads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.